Time will always be there, generations will pass, but it will always be there. How do you value your time? What are you gonna do in your time? Are you waiting for the day you will turn 60 years and you even can't show anything to your grandkids? It will be such a shame. We all have the same amount of time, but most of us don't make best use of it. Welcome to Godfrey Kaiwa educative and motivational speeches. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Today Mr. Kaiwa is gonna show you how successful people value their time. Number 1, plan for your age. Know what to do at a certain age. Always know that 10 to 30 years, those are learning years. Make sure that you learn effectively and get your answers to your questions. 30 to 55 years, that's your working time. Do your best, set goals, know what can make you rich and focus on that. 55 to 90 years are the earning years. If you don't want to be working at the age of 65 in order to get you what to eat, better plan for your years effectively. Do not waste your teenage. Number 2, set goals and do it fast. What is the project that's gonna get you the promotion in your life? Schedule your time well. Some of you don't know how 4 a.m. looks like. And what most of you do, when you wake up early in the morning, the first thing is to reply emails, scrolling on social media. What are the trending funny videos on internet? Think about how your future is gonna be. Know your best intentions, start working upon them and start right away. Number 3, always carry a notebook. There will always be something to write about. For example, in meetings, conferences, etc. When you think about ideas, always note them down. When you go to bed, sleep with your notebook beside you and note that idea down, because our minds are best for processing different ideas, not to hold on to information. Time is the only thing you can't buy, so better be careful with it. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. And once you have lost it, you can never get it back. Remember, time waits for no man. Number 4, don't waste your time on revenge. The Bible says in Romans chapter 12 verse 19, never take your own revenge, beloved, but leave room for the wrath of God, for it is written, vengeance is mine, I will repay, says the Lord. Leave revenge to God, because time is slow when you wait and time is precious when you use it properly. Time is fast when you're late and time is endless when you are in pain. There will be times when people will cause you problems. Do not ever seek revenge, because you'll have to waste too much time on plans which are not important. Leave them. Take courage and do not stop. Stay busy, work your plan, continue to do those things that you know will work for you, because what you give is what you get. And number 5, there will always be more to do. The expert says, end your day when you're tired and not when you're done. You can waste your time, but time will also waste you. Always be on standby, plan for your time, and make sure that you finish everything on its specific time. Drop the mindset that you need to complete everything at once. Arrange your schedule so that you have the appropriate amount of time to finish your work before it's due. The key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but schedule your priorities. You get to decide where your time goes. You can either spend it moving forward or you can spend it putting out fires. You decide. And if you don't decide, others will decide for you. Note, motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Thanks for watching. Let's meet at the top where egos do not collide.